What you thinking? You wanted that length?
Yeah, about
Got
that.
it.
Yeah.
Let me see. So you want your C cups?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I like this one, cause last time it was like
Damn.
corners. You feel me?
Gonna get you together.
YouTube, as you can see, he was complaining that his last barber pushed him back. So he told me he don't want no enhancements, no paint, no fibers, no none of that. But yeah, this is a buzz cut, so we're gonna cut it down. I'm just gonna create a little opening in his hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my guard. I'm cutting it down with a 2 for anyone wondering. This is like a great length just to buzz someone's hair with, especially his texture, curly hair. A 2, it's a good length to start. It's like wave length. And I'm cutting his hair with the grain of his hair pattern. I'm not going against the grain. So the direction I'm going is the way his hair grows. It grows forward. If I were to go the other way, it would cut it very shorter. Much shorter. It would almost look basically like a shadow. Almost bald. So as you can see, the hair is coming off nice and smooth, like butter. And I'm just gonna smooth it out with a shorter guard. And right here, this is a very important step. I'm washing his hair, and I'm also gonna condition it. What this is doing, it's washing away all that dirt that may have been in his hair, just product build up from him having longer hair. It's just giving us a clean canvas to start with. And so since I cut it down to a great length already, I already knew what length it was at, so we didn't have to cut it down anymore. I just blow dried it, brushed it in. Now we're doing our taper. If you don't know what a taper is, it's basically where you take the hair from short to long on the sides, just on the sides. When it's short to long all around his head, then it's a fade. In this specific taper, this is a mid taper. It's right above his ear. And he told me he wanted to shave his beard. He actually was asking my professional opinion. I told him let's just go with like a kind of like a
Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info.
And he told me he wanted to shave his beard. He kind of like asked my professional opinion. I told him let's just go with a goatee real quick. Nothing crazy. So I'm just detailing my taper, and I'm using the raking method right here. Same thing with this side. We're gonna shave his face. With the back, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Being very generous with our guidelines. So I went ahead and started fading downwards kinda. Just to keep the fade lower. I could just tell if I would have faded up, I feel like the guidelines would have been way too big, would have ended up taking it way too high. So I don't have a guard on there right now, I'm just fading upwards. And his hair back here has a weird hair growth pattern. It's like growing sideways, so we're cutting it accordingly. We're preparing the hair around his ear right now. I like to take that area down just so that the line will stay sharp. Same with the front hairline. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of hairspray, brush it in, and then start the line up. So his biggest thing was he didn't want me to dig into the corners. I mean, I had to a little bit, but it's not a pushback. It's just, his hair growth. So we're doing the C-cups. We're gonna follow that line all the way to the other side. For the back, we're making a diagonal line that follows his nape, making it crispy and not keeping it too natural. A lot of people keep this line too natural, or they either push it back. You want to find that nice sweet spot that comes with experience, looking at their head shape, their neck shape, and the taper too. It depends on the taper. So we want to clear out his beard. So I started with my sabers just because they weren't as sharp. These are like my sharpest trimmers. So I'm gonna trim his mustache down a little bit, then shape that up real quick. And as you can see, the line's crispy. Like he didn't need enhancements. Of course, enhancements will make any hairline look sharper, but he didn't need it. Shout out Easy Blade. My promo code is on the screen for 10% off, and I'm just stretching his skin. He liked it, man. This is how my client came in, and this is how he's leaving. Nice, natural, clean up, nothing too crazy. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.